Mastering the perfect espresso with your Breville espresso machine requires freshly roasted beans and some trial and error. Always use beans between 5 to 30 days after roast for optimal flavor. Freshness will affect grind size and extraction. Grind size and dose amount are the key variables for an ideal extraction. Grind size refers to the setting you choose when grinding your beans. Dose amount refers to the amount of coffee grounds you use in your portafilter. Here, we're demonstrating with the Dual Boiler and Smart Grinder Pro. While your machine may differ from this combination, the fundamentals are the same. Ensure you have the 2-cup filter basket inserted into the portafilter. Using the factory settings for grind size and dose, grind freshly roasted coffee into your portafilter. Tamp your coffee with firm pressure and as level as possible. If underdosed, with the tamp edge below the portafilter rim, add coffee and retamp. If overdosed, with the silver line above the tamper rim, trim the excess with the razor tool, like so. Next, extract a double shot by selecting the 2-cup button. Let's break down the ideal extraction and what happens when it's too slow or too fast. First, the ideal extraction. Watch the extraction speed. An ideal extraction drops from the spouts of the portafilter at the 8 to 12 second mark and continues until around 30 seconds. Now, what happens if it's too fast? If the espresso drops before 8 seconds and your extraction duration is less than 25 seconds, you need to adjust the grind size finer. Fast-flowing shots completing in less than 25 seconds are under-extracted and will generally taste weak, sour, grassy, and will have a thin mouthfeel. And if it's too slow, if the espresso drops after around 12 seconds and takes longer than 30 seconds to complete, you need to adjust the grind size coarser. Slow-flowing shots are over-extracted and will generally taste astringent, bitter, and will have a thin mouthfeel. When you adjust the grind size, as a general guide, use increments of 2. As you get closer to the espresso dropping from the spouts at the 8 to 12 second mark, make smaller grind size adjustments. From here, tweak and observe. Remember, if it's too fast, adjust the grind size finer, and if it's too slow, adjust the grind size coarser. As coffee ages, you will notice that the espresso drops from the spouts earlier than your previous shots, and when it drops before 8 seconds, you will need to adjust your grind finer. Keep an eye on this to ensure you are experiencing the best possible flavors every time. With a little trial and error, mastering espresso extractions for better flavor balance will become second nature.